Let's go over the AI measurement feature. The AI measurement feature is an automated property measurement tool that uses artificial intelligence and satellite imagery to automatically calculate property dimensions. This includes the lawn area, building footprint, driveways, sidewalks, and other features. This feature removes the need for manual measurement and provides accurate, instant measurements for property estimates and quotes. Let's go over the demo first. We can get there by going to the AI measurements on the side menu bar. You can select a demo property from the drop-down and then click Generate AI Measurements. These results can be viewed without using a credit. The map will show the property boundaries. The measurement table shows all calculated areas. We can match each color on the map to the color on the chart. Now let's look at generating measurements when adding a property. To do that, we'll go to the Customer tab and select Properties. Then we select Add New Property. We select a customer and the property name. Here we can see that LawnPro AI property measurements are now automated and auto-generated for us. We need to make sure the Generate AI Measurements box is selected. Then we enter the address. We can add a default item or service, so let's add a simple mow. Then we'll save the property. It will pop up and ask what we want to do next. We want to measure the property. Here we can see that since we had that box checked, it automatically did it for us. And again, we can see that the colors on the map correlate to these measurements here. Now, let's generate measurements on an existing property. To do this, we'll go back to the Customer tab, go to Properties, and then choose one of our existing properties. Let's just choose this one. Then, we'll go down to the property address. We just click on the address as if we're going to update it. Make sure this box is checked, and then Update Address. Then, we'll go to Measure Property. And here, it measured it for us again. Now let's look at generating measurements from the Area Calculator. To do that, we'll go to the left side menu, click Calculators, then the Satellite View Area Calculator. Start by selecting an existing customer and property to measure. Next, we generate AI measurements. A countdown will start, and we can either click Notify me when measurement is complete or just wait for it to finish. Once the process is complete, the measurements appear in the table beside the map. The map displays property boundaries and features. We will see measurements for the property, lawn, driveway, sidewalk, and building. Click Save Measurements to Property to store the measurements in the property record. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out via help chat in your account.